A very warm welcome to Technical Drawing Tutorial Online. Today's topic is construction of an octagon in a square. Previous knowledge is for the learners to know how to draw a tangent to a line. Step 1. Draw the square ABCD with center O. Step 2. Draw diagonals AC and BC to intersect at O. Step 3. With center A and radius AO, draw an arc to touch the sides of the square, that is sides AD and AB. Note that the arc is a tangent to the line BD at O. Step 4. With center B and radius AO, draw a second arc to touch the sides of the square, that is sides AB and BC. Then repeat this for center C and D using the same arc. Step 5. Connect the points on the side of the square to complete the octagon. That is side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. On completing the steps just described, you would have inscribed an octagon in a square. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.